So when is a good time to get out? Let's review. Jem, go ahead. Your hand's up.
Hi, good morning. Can you review Apple on, for example, I got in early on the EWO, but when would have been an ideal time to get out? Because VWAP was above the EMAs, unlike in the strong play that you teach.
So when is a good time to get out? Let's review. If I'm in the Apple 2-minute EWO, that is here. Right here is a 50%, and most likely I'm out right there. How's that? That's when I get out.
So
That's it. Done. Right
okay, I see. Thank you.
It's below VWAP. Below VWAP, you're out.
Yep. Remember, if it breaks and holds below VWAP, you're out, right? So I got in here. This was my pullback, which means I shed 50%. This right here broke and held on this candle. I'm all the way out. So you had 50% profit in here and barely any but a little bit right here, and I'm out. Make sense? That's it. Done.
Yes. So you always shed on the pullback.
Every single pullback, we always shed on the, hold on, let me flip this to a 2-minute. I was looking at 1 minute. Hold on. Yeah. Every single pullback. Don't I say that, everybody in here?
All the time.
Every time. Pullback, shed. Right? If you were still in it, pullback, shed. Pullback,
Below VWAP,
shed.
out.
Below VWAP and hold, out.
Got it. Thank you.
Yep.
It'll change your life.
Yep. Great question, Jem.